Hi YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And this is a follow-up to a video I've done before. And I'm going to put the highlight link of it at the top right of this video. This has to do with dash cams. Now, some of you may have purchased some since I first did this video, and some of you may have not, and that's perfectly okay because some of these can be expensive. It might not be in your budget, and that's fine. But I've gotten two people who have contacted me asking me about questions on which memory card to use, and what do I also need in order to read the files off the SD memory card on my computer so I can edit it or send the file an email or whatever they want to do with it. And that's what this video is going to be based upon. So this will be like a follow-up to the first video I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up some websites. This is blackboxmycar.com, a web page that I purchased my dash cam from. And these are some of the ones they have. Like I said, these can be expensive, but some of these are actually relatively good prices. Here's a Viofo A129 for $176.99. Here's another one for $169. So some of the prices on some of these are relatively decent, but these are all good quality dash cams. You're not going to find any cheapos or anything like that. These are very good dash cams. So whichever one you decide to get within your budget, then it will work totally fine. This one just came out, I believe, the Thinkware FA200 dual channel. This one just came out. It was just released last week, I believe. So this is a good budget one if you're looking for it. It does have two cameras, front and rear. So that's a good investment if you're looking for it. Thinkware makes some very good cameras. As a matter of fact, that's one of the two cameras that I'm going to be showing you about. So you can come here and you'll usually get a dash cam between 3 and 5 days. They say between 1 to 3 days, but it depends on where you live and how the shipping goes. But this is a good place. You got a good warranty with some of these dash cams. The two dash cams I'm going to be really talking about are the Blackview and the Thinkware. Now, the reason why I'm doing a follow-up on this is because now I have both these cameras. I have actually the Blacksys CH200 and I have the Thinkware F8200. And I don't have any issues with the camera, but some people, such as me, have experienced where you have the software that you can download onto the computer in order to view the footage from the SD memory card that goes inside of your dash cam. And the problem I had was that it seems like when a card gets hot, the application freezes and you can't do anything, and you almost have to restart the whole computer in order for it to come back up. And sometimes even then it still freezes, so you're having to do a lot of restarts. However, I found out that there is an alternative to that. So if you still wish to download the software for the computer, so like if it's a Blackview camera, then you will come to blackview.com and then you will go to support and click on downloads. When you get the downloads, they have firmware upgrades that you can do to your camera if you need it. They show you the steps. And if you go all the way down to near the bottom, here is where you can download the app and the app viewer. So here you can download it for both Windows and Mac. And this is how you will be able to view the files on your computer or even your laptop. If you have a Thinkware, you will come to Thinkware's website. You will go to support and click on downloads. And now it's going to ask you which version or series of camera that you have. So let's just say it's the Q series, and you're going to click on that, and the Q800 Pro is the one that I have. and then you would choose whichever one you want. This is again firmware update or upgrade for it. And over to the left here you'll see PC Mac Viewer. When you click on that, these are your download selections for whichever operating system you have, whether it's PC, Windows, or Mac. And you would download these and install it, and you would be able to view the footage from the SD memory card of the dash cam right onto your computer. You can extract the file from the viewers, such as if it's something that happened in the front or something that occurred in the rear. You can extrapolate the file and save it. You can edit it or send it to someone, whatever it is that you wish to do with it. Now, if you plan on getting the viewer for whatever dash cam that you get, you may need an SD memory card reader. Now, there are several out there. The one I got from day one is this one. This is the TRANSCEND TS RDF5K USB 3.1 micro SD card reader. Now, this one is very good. It's very fast. They have them in different colors. That looks pink. They say it's red, but it's pink. White and black. I have the black one, and it covers both micro SD and SD. So you can either use the SD card that goes into your dash cam, or you can use the adapter that comes with it, and you can use that as well. And it's not expensive, only like $10, but it works really well and is very fast. The card, as far as what I use for the inside of my dash cam, is this one, the Samsung 64GB Pro Endurance. Now, these cards are specifically geared for dash cams. So if you see any other card, make sure that you read up on it and look for something in the description that's saying that it's more geared for video monitoring cameras, including dash cams, surveillance and security cams, body cams, etc. You want to look for something like that. And what happens is they have a longer endurance rate on how to handle the heat and the file transfers of whatever is that is being recorded. So make sure you look for that. And the prices aren't that bad. A 64 is $15.99. 32 is $10.99, and then a 128 is $25. So also go by your dash cam's specifications to find out what's the maximum size that the dash cam will take. And if it takes whatever size you want, then good, go for that if the price isn't too high for you, or you can afford it. So if you are actually having issues with the application for the dash cam, like whether it was Thinkware or Blackview, the other alternative is to use a different media file program. So you will come to videoland.org and you will download VLC. And VLC will work as well for viewing your dash cam videos. There's a couple extra steps you have to take. Like, once you open up your file where the dash cam video is on your media card reader, you can create a new file, say like call the new file captures, dash cam captures. You can then open up the media card reader file and then copy or cut, whichever you want to do, cut those files from there and place them in the dash cam capture video, and then you can look at them like that, view them, and then you can put them in your video editing program or editing program, Power Director, or whatever video editing program that you have, and you can view them that way. So I hope this gives you a lot more information as to what it is or extra equipment that you need for the usage of a dash cam. And if you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to leave questions in the comment section if you have any, and I will do my best to try to answer those questions for you. So you all take care, be safe, and peace out.